and welcome back to Baking with Mrs. Myles. I am so glad you guys are enjoying these videos because I'm having a lot of fun making them for you. Today we're going to be making banana chocolate chip muffins. So what you need is you need about 3 to 4 bananas. I already have them squished up in here. You need some sugar. You need 1 egg. You need some regular flour and some whole wheat flour. You need a little bit of oil, you need some baking soda, and of course you need some chocolate chips. So the first thing we need to do is prepare our muffin tin. So I'm going to be using Pam today, but again, you guys can use your little muffin cups if you'd like. So I'm just going to give it a little spray and set it aside. So the first thing you need to do for the recipe is you need to put your bananas into a bowl, and we want them really squished up. Now I did this before I started because mine were frozen, so it took a little bit longer. So you want it really squished up to make the good muffins. So I'm going to just squish them up a little bit more. And then with your mixer going, you're going to want to add 1 cup of sugar. We got 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to turn that up a little bit. And then we want to add 1/4 cup of oil. You want to add 1 egg. Now I'm going to break this right into here, but if you're not used to breaking eggs, break it into a bowl first and then pour it in. 1 egg. So that is all the wet ingredients. The next thing we're going to do is start adding the dry ingredients. So we're going to want 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour and 3/4 cup of regular flour. Now I've tried making these before with all white flour and it didn't work very well, so I highly recommend you using both types. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then the white flour. One, 2, 3. And we're going to let that mix along for a bit. Once everything is all mixed up, this is what your batter should look like. Now you can throw it into the oven just like this if you want to, but I like adding some chocolate chips. Now I'm going to tell you a secret. I don't normally measure my chocolate chips. I throw in whatever looks right, but for the sake of this, I'm going to throw in probably about 1 cup of chocolate chips. And we're just going to mix those up by hand. And that's what your batter looks like. After that, just grab your muffin tin and we're going to fill her up. And depending on the size of your bananas or how many you use. It depends on that's how many muffins you get. I got 9 out of it this time. And then all you need to do now is throw this in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. These take a little bit longer to cook than regular muffins. So I'll go do that and then I'll see you when it's done. All right, let's see if they're done. Oh, look at that. We have the nice golden brown top. And the way to tell if they're done is we'll see if this comes out clean. Oh, I hit a chocolate chip. Those are perfect. Alrighty, all we need to do now is let them sit for about 10 minutes to cool down and we'll take them out and put them on a rack. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, so we'll pop these out now. There we go. Banana chocolate chip muffins are just that easy. Well, that's all for today. I hope everyone is staying safe and washing your hands. And if there's anything you'd like to see me make, please let me know and we'll do that. Until then, till next time. Choo choo, muffins are ready.